morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what we are going to do for breakfast? We are going to make country fried steak breakfast. This is my husband's favorite breakfast. With this, you would need flour, black pepper, 2 eggs, milk, paprika, salt, cayenne pepper, and some oil. So for the wet ingredients, you need 2 eggs. Make sure you don't get the shell in it, like I do. And then 1 cup of milk. For the coating, you will need 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some salt and black pepper, 4 teaspoons of paprika, and the only reason why I put 4 teaspoons is because I like it spicy. And then you want to mix the dry ingredients together. On our side, we are going to make potatoes. These are the best potatoes that I've seen so far. I bought 1 bag of each and I just cut them into 4s. In your pan, you want to start out with 2 sticks of butter and you just want to stir it until it melts. We will put in our potato. And you want to add some salt to it for flavor. You want to add onion powder. Garlic powder. And you only want to do this when the potatoes are golden and ready to eat because the powders will stick to the bottom of your pan. So the kind of meat you will want to get is beef chunk steak, and I bought this from Cup Foods and it's already made. So what you want to do is put it into the seasoning, and then you want to put it in the egg and the milk, and then you want to put it back into the seasoning again, and then you want to put it into the frying pan. And I got 4 steaks, so I'm going to be doing it 4 times. After the steaks are ready, you want to put 4 teaspoons of butter into your pan, and you just want to melt that butter. And when the butter is melted, you want to put your seasoning that we made in the butter, and you just want to let it melt a little bit, and then you want to add milk to it so it thickens the sauce. And this is the sauce that we are going to put on top of our steak. And you want to use a whisk because it's really thick because of the flour. And then now for the egg, we want to use the egg and milk that we made earlier. And then I added 4 eggs into that batter. As you guys can see, I do not like to waste food, so I'm using everything that I used earlier. And then after I put the egg into the pan, I just want to grab lots and lots of cheese because I love cheese. I just want to put it in my eggs, and then some black pepper for some seasoning. And there we are, our country steak breakfast. And we want to say Happy Easter from the Lang family.
Happy Easter, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
And until next time, we'll see you guys.